Hey guys, hope you're well. Wanted to do a quick video. Of course, the bulk of the reporting will be tomorrow. I am heading to California, to Los Angeles. I'm in California now, but wanted to give an update today. There was a hearing. I didn't even know it was a hearing. I thought ZDT, Zero Dark Tony, just simply had to hand over his gun. But apparently there was a hearing scheduled. And thanks to Enri, this was because of the RO that Enri Mancini got against ZDT. Because of that, ZDT had to turn in his firearms, which he is registered apparently as having, within 24 hours to the police station. Once he didn't do that, there was a hearing where he should have handed in his firearms and should have shown up in person. He didn't do that. Instead, what happened is that even though ZDT was supposed to show up in person, Tamer showed up via Zoom. That's the attorney for ZDT. And Tamer said that ZDT actually submitted his gun to a police officer. And as evidence, Tamer had the gall to submit a business card of an officer. He said, well, I have this business card, and so therefore it is proof that at a separate time, ZDT put in the effort and submitted his gun over to the court. Did not happen. The judge was not so pleased at all and said that she would refer it to the district attorney, and it would result in felony charges. The judge says that's not the process. You don't give it to a random officer willy-nilly. You go through the courts. If it was for some reason that would have been recorded, it would have been recorded efficiently. So she did not buy it. And she also said, for future reference, she is billing Zero Dark Tony as a non-credible witness, meaning any time he tries to defend himself in another case, in another court case, whether it be Solomon tomorrow, for example, or perhaps in the future if Mindy looks at doing a potential restraining order, or Vanessa LaRose, if they try to get a restraining order against ZDT, they should be aware that ZDT is not deemed a credible witness by the official court, and therefore none of his defense nor his evidence will be taken into testimony. Here's the most hilarious part. Tamer said he was also that witness. So Tamer also has been billed as a non-credible witness. How the hell Tamer is going to even try to defend his client in court tomorrow? Who knows? I will be showing up. ZDT will have to show up. Doubt he will, but I will be there tomorrow bright and early. But we all have to thank Enri's case might have on its face been frivolous, but what it does is it officially defines ZDT as a non-credible witness, and it has officially given felony charges. Now, felony charges mean that it's far more likely that the police will go out of their way to actually find ZDT and arrest him. Before, it might have been low enforcement and might have been minor to enforce and actually get somebody to go out of their way. Now, with ZDT looking at felony charges, which the DA is guaranteed to bring upon, the previous RO violations were all misdemeanors. Now that he's looking at felony charges, the police are likely to go out of their way to arrest ZDT. So expect a ZDT arrest, and I will be there for any hearing with that, within this week, because now because of Enri's efforts and the relation of Enri, because of Enri's RO specifically, ZDT had to turn in his gun. So because of Enri going through all these motions and be successful against ZDT, he is now looking at felony charges. So all good news, and I will see you tomorrow at 7:45 Pacific time to see if ZDT shows up, and then I will be in the courtroom later in the afternoon. So all good news. Again, official felony charges. ZDT did not show up. Tamer showed up via Zoom, and it was bad news. So things are going from bad to worse for ZDT, but wish all the people in my chat luck in trying to defend him with this one. Let's see how you spin it. Take care. Bye-bye, guys.